but the video is gonna hear us about.
No, like the video
Just
can't hear.
record it
The video can't hear you. It can only hear me, I think. Okay, guys. For today, I will be fighting Predators in Riva.
I thought they won't hear you.
Yeah. Kayo, they can't hear you.
Aww.
Sorry.
I can see you spectating me.
Ah! No! Spam.
The 8. Bro, we need to win from the 8.
Bruh.
Rowan is at mountain.
Kayo, like I said, they cannot hear you.
And do shout out to Tisha, okay?
No. Okay, fine. Shout out to Tisha for this video, guys. Shout out to Tisha. Hiya! Oh!
Yeah, and you're
Ow!
Oh,
Clutch up, Kayo, clutch up. I thought I saw a rat
I
on
know
my
what you're
side.
trying to do. I'm not stupid.
because those people are rats. Or they're just coming for you. They're not. Oh, no. I got clutched by a idiot.
Oh!
It's the girl.
I deflected. Wait, Theo, he's AFK.
Bro, don't that. He's low.
Theo, he's AFK. Yeah, no, he's not moving.
Oh, no. Oh,
Lost.
man.
Lost.
Shut up. By the way, I've completed elimination.
Okay.
So let's gonna do. I'm just doing it right. Ayun.
Yo, Kayo! One of them is using a handgun. Be careful. No.
Rowan is at
I gotta exit first person mode.
Hey,
Hey, yo!
the ball
what am I
was
hearing right now? Where are
You don't
At
know?
least I can double jump, I guess.
Yeah, Kayo. I can quadruple jump.
Rowan, where? Rowan, where?
So be careful.
Where is he? Oh, okay, I saw you.
I
I saw
killed
you there, Bobo.
Skibadi-doo!
That
Skibadi-da! Saving the world, we flushing them all.
What the hell?
What?
Oh, yes, Rowan.
Skibadi-doo!
Theo, you're in mountain.
Skibadi-da! Saving the world, we flushing them all.
Skibidi-da. At least we. Okay, stop recording already because we already defeated the e-daters.
Okay, guys, that will be all for today's video. Bye bye. I'm sorry if it was only short though. Okay, but bye.